Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. I know maximum of students of class 10th and 12th are waiting to apply for the photocopy of their answer book of board examination 2025. So your wait is over because link to apply for that is available. The link I have given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. You just need to click on that link. Once you click that link, you are going to get this page with heading online application for photocopy of answer book for exam 2025 mains, and as website is there cbse.in/cbse/web/rchk/ansbk.aspx. Now you should note this point: only those candidate who has applied and obtained the photocopy of answer book, they are only eligible for applying for verification and revaluation in their applied subject. Means if you are applying only for science answer book, then you can apply for verification and revaluation only for science. Means only for those subjects which you are applying, only in that subject you are going to get, not for any other subject. And if you are not applying for this, you will not get the opportunity for verification or revaluation as well. Now let us see how to apply for that. As you can see on the left side, they have given all the link like apply for class 12th answer book. If you want to, you are in class 12th and you are applying, you can apply it here. If you are in class 10th, you need to click here. Then this is the fees payment link, and here you can check whether payment is done or not. And here you can check the application status of your answer book. This one is for application status for verification. Now if you see the top one, this is again for that same. If you want to apply for answer book, this you can use it. For verification, this one, and this one is for application for revaluation. But as you know, this is not, answer book will start from 21st May for class 12th, and for class 10th it will start from 27 May. So all this link are not active now. For class 12 it will be active by tomorrow. For class 10 it will be active by 27. Now what they are going to ask you when you will apply, so this detail you should have handy with you during that process. Like first they are going to ask you to select the class, then they are going to ask you to write your roll number, then 5-digit school number, your school code you need to enter. This is also available in your marks card, now in your admit card. Now if you are private candidate, then you don't have any school, so you can enter 5 times 9 as a school number. Then you need to enter your center number, and at the last you need to enter your admit card ID. So you need to have all these 4 things: your roll number, school number, center number, and admit card ID number. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.